dear friend. This is Alina from PCBgogo team. Thank you very much for your trust and support in 2025 and hope we have more cooperations in the new year. Merry Christmas!
Hi, this is Janice from PCBgogo. I wish you a Christmas full of happiness and joy, and here is to big breakthroughs and fuller circles in the coming year.
Hello, this is Annie from PCBgogo. Merry Christmas! Thank you for trusting our PCB solutions this year. We will keep improving to serve you better.
Hi, this is Tina from PCBgogo. Warm Christmas wishes to you and your team. May your holiday be filled with a deep rest, quiet joy, and a complete recharge. Merry Christmas!
Hi, this is Danny from PCBgogo. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season. Thank you for working with us. Let's hit even bigger milestones together in the new year.
感谢大家对 PCBgogo 的信任与支持。在新年来临之际，我衷心的祝愿大家新年快乐，万事顺意 ，Happy New Year！
Please do not forget to check out PCBgogo's exclusive Christmas event. Free coupons and Amazon gift cards are available. Follow our official account and join social media interactions to get more gifts.